Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the FXOnTrack trading app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. FXOnTrack is a trading analysis app designed to help traders monitor Forex markets, track price movements, and manage their trading strategies more efficiently. It provides real-time market data, customizable alerts, performance tracking, and trade journaling tools. The app aims to simplify market monitoring by giving users key information on currency pairs, technical indicators, and trend patterns in one place. The main features include live Forex charts, personalized by sell alerts, economic event notifications, and risk management tools. Users can log their trades, review mistakes, analyze patterns, and build a more disciplined trading routine. FXOnTrack is available on both iOS and Android. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate alert system, clean interface, and helpful tracking features that improve trading discipline. The trade journal and analytics help traders understand what's working and what's not, making it useful for beginners and intermediate traders. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced charting tools may require a subscription, and real-time data accuracy can vary by region. Some users also report that notifications can be delayed during high volatility periods. Like most trading apps, FXOnTrack relies heavily on consistent internet connectivity. In summary, the FXOnTrack app may be worth using if you want reliable trading alerts, performance tracking, and an organized trade journal. However, if you prefer advanced chart setups or don't want to pay for premium features, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.